Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: phone compatibility and account access. First, check that your device is unlocked or listed as T-Mobile compatible, because that prevents activation errors. Once done, locate your account number and account PIN. These let you transfer or set up service quickly. Make sure you have a valid ID for verification, then insert the physical SIM or scan the eSIM QR code. Use Wi-Fi during activation to speed the download and avoid cellular delays. Now you move into activation and porting. Open the T-Mobile app or the activation page. This lets you follow guided steps while keeping everything organized. If you're keeping your number, select transfer number and enter your old carrier account plus PIN. This is the why. Porting needs authorization from your previous provider. Make sure to restart the phone when prompted, verify the IMEI matches, and watch for signal bars to confirm successful provisioning before continuing with settings. Finish by configuring essentials and testing service. Sign into the T-Mobile app to enable voicemail, review plan details, and if data fails, set the APN manually. This explains why connectivity needs the correct network settings. Test a voice call, send an SMS, and load a web page. If something fails, try toggling airplane mode or restarting the phone. Those simple resets often resolve provisioning hiccups. If issues persist, contact T-Mobile support with your account number, IMEI, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.